Hello everybody, welcome to my class. You can see there is a problem question, and this question has been taken from grade 10 extended mathematics, and I'm solving this problem because it was asked by one of the students from grade 10. Thank you, Sahil, for suggesting this sort of question. And here, let's read out this question. If the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p passes through the point of intersection of the line x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, is parallel to the line under root 3x plus y equal to 2, find the values of the acute angle alpha and the value of constant p. So you can see x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p is given in the perpendicular form of the straight line. So according to the question, although this graph is not important for solution of these questions, but for a better concept clear, we see the situation on graph first of all. So you can see here, this is the line x equals to y in the blue color, and then in the red color horizontally, it passes through the point y equal to 0, 3. So this is the equation for the line y equal to 3. And yes, we have two equations for, first of all, let's draw this line. Although this graph is not to the scale, root 3x plus y equals to 1. So this is 2. Yes, this is not 1, this is 2. Okay. And what it says that this line is parallel to the line under root 3x plus y equal to 2 and it also passes through the point of intersection of the line x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So this is the point here. That means the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha passes through the point 2, 3. All right. So here you can see, given that x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is p, you can call this equation as 1. And then it passes through the point of intersection of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, that is through 2, 3 and parallel to the line under root 3x plus y equals to 2. In this case, you have to find the value of alpha and the value of p. So as two lines are given parallel, so we have benefited that their slopes will be equal. So first of all, you resolve this line 1 and this is 2, both in terms of y equals to mx plus c, so that slopes of these two lines will be equal, because question says that these two lines are parallel. And also we can see the situation on this diagram. So here from 1, what you can get here, like y sine alpha equals to minus x cos alpha plus p, right? Because this is plus here, if you transpose this towards right, it will be minus. So I'm writing here minus. And as you are transforming this into y equal to mx plus c, that means y should be alone. Yes, that means what you write here, y equals to, you can put constant term together. This is cos alpha, and when it goes to another side by cross multiplication, it will be in the denominator of cos alpha, this term. So this is sine alpha over here, and then this x is here, and then p, because you are cross multiplying to this side, that means it is going to divide p also. So it's going to be p by sine alpha. Okay, p by sine alpha. So it is equation 3. And therefore you call its slope as m1. So slope, you can see, if you compare it y equal to mx plus c, in that case your m1 value will be minus cos alpha by sine alpha, or you can write cot alpha also if you like. So this is cos alpha by sine alpha only. Okay. And from 2, you can see, and from 2, equation 2, you can see that is here. This is under root 3x plus y equals to 2 given. So make the y alone. It is easy here. So it is just you have to transfer this to us right side. So it is y equals to, if it goes to us right side, so it is in positive sign, so it will be here negative sign. So this is root 3 and x is in outside here, and then plus is remained here. Plus 2. Call this equation as 4. So here in this case, you call its slope as m2. So what we have got actually, its slope is the coefficient of x. So this is minus root 3. Okay. So since equation 3 and 4 are parallel, yes, they are these two lines are parallel. Also, you can call that 1 and 2 are parallel. Therefore, what you can therefore what we have actually, m1 equals to m2 by its condition, because their slope will remain the same. And therefore you can write, let's start from here. Therefore you can write both are equal, so you can write minus cos alpha over sin alpha equals to under root 3. Now it is cot alpha. If you reverse it, what happens? It is minus sin alpha by cos alpha equals to 1 by root 3. So just we have reversed the ratio. Yes, so there is nothing. That means in the denominator there is 1. So 1 by root 3. And you know that sin alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha, and take this sign, it is negative. So this is also negative. So here it is negative here. So negative sign, they will be cancelled out. So after that it is tan alpha equals to 1 by root 3. So therefore, you know the principal value of alpha in this case is how much it is. For what value of tan alpha it is, for what value of tan of the alpha degree, the value is 1 by root 3. You know that tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 45 degree, you have to remember it. So you see here that 1 by root 3 means tan 30 degree is root 3. Therefore, alpha value is 30 degrees. Yes, you can. So this is one of the answer. Now you have to find the value of the constant p over here. Yes. So what you do actually, you can say again from, take one of the equation where it is applicable. So either you take this or 3 also here. All right. So let me take 3. And in that case, so from 3, from equation 3, in equation 3, it is y, and then this is, you can call this as minus cos x by sin x, means it is cot x. Okay, this is cot alpha and times x and plus p, and then it is y equals to, put the value of the alpha, that angle. So this is cot alpha, and then this is p, and you know that cot alpha is minus cot alpha, and then there is x, and then it is minus cot, means 1 by, you can take cot, means 1 by tan alpha. Alpha in this case is, you have 30 degrees, so you write here 30 degrees, and then it is x, and then it is no, it is p by sine alpha also. Yes, p by sine alpha. Yes, so what you write here, p by sine alpha. Sine alpha means here 30 degrees. Okay, and then after that you'll see that y equals to minus, yes, it is minus 1 by tan 30 degree, means 1 by root 3. So you can write here 1 by root 3 x plus P and tan 30 degrees, 1 by 2. You have to remember these values of trigonometric, these values of degrees in trigonometry. And then after that, it is y equals to minus, so reciprocal of the reciprocal number, it goes off. So it is root 3x, and then 2 will be upside here. So plus this is 2p. So you call this equation as 5. Okay. Now your question says that yes, your question says that you can check here, like 1 passes through the point of intersection of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. That means xy value is 2, 3. So therefore, we can write here, since equation or the line 5 passes through the point 2, 3. Therefore, the point 2, 3 satisfies this equation. That means x value is 2 and the y value is 3. So therefore, you can write here from this equation 5, y means it is 3, equals to minus, this is root 3, and x value you can see here, this is 2, and then plus we have here 2 times of p. Now just solve it. So transpose this towards the left side. So it is going to be 3 plus 2 root 3, 2 root 3, because this is minus root 3 times 2 means 2 root 3. So when you transpose this towards another side, that is left side here, then it is minus, then it will be plus. And then you have equals to p. All right. So we have got the value of p equals to, in fact, not only p, there is 2 also. 2. You should not miss out the number. You have to take care here. So it is 3 plus 2 root 3. And as 2 is multiplied here, when you cross multiply to another side, that is left side here, then it goes in the denominator 2. And you can say these many units. All right. So therefore, you can see here, value of alpha is, the value of alpha you have just got, that is 30 degrees. And the value of the perpendicular length, in this case, or this constant, you can say that this is 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2 units. Or by using calculator, you can also write this sort of number in the non-exact form, that is in the decimal form. So this sort of answer is, whenever it is given in this way, is called the exact answer. Okay, so both way work. So this way we can solve this problem. Now let's have a proper look from beginning to now. Well, guys, I hope it will be helpful in solving further problems that relates this kind of problem. Okay, this is all for now, and thank you for your patience.